Hi all, this is John from Save Me, just going to take you through how to add WordPress onto your cPanel hosting. Once you've got your hosting set up and you navigate to your cPanel homepage, this is what you see. And from there, it's very, very simple. Go to Applications. This version of cPanel uses Installatron, which is super simple to use. So if you can get hold of that, please use it. Go to Applications Browser. Scroll down a little, and you'll find WordPress. Click on WordPress, and then install this application. Then you get a list of the domains that you currently have, or web addresses that you currently have. Now, I've already got something on saveme.com.au, so I'm going to go through all the addresses that I own, and I'm going to put it on test.saveme.com.au. Make sure that you pick the HTTPS version of your site. If you've only got one domain, that will be the first one that will come up. If not, you have to go through this process and select it. So I'm going to put it onto there. Always do this, is delete that blog, because that just puts it into another file and it can make things very, very difficult. Keep it on the version that it recommends. The language is obvious. Accept the agreement. Update new minor versions and security releases. I normally do. WordPress plugin automate update. I don't automatically do that because I want to be a little bit more in charge of what I update and when. For example, if you update a plugin and it crashes your whole site and it's done it automatically, you won't know about it. But if I'm in control of this and able to do this myself to update the plugins, I'll test straight away, so I'll see if anything's gone wrong. Same with themes. I like to do that myself and not do it automatically. Automatic update backup. I like to keep that there as create a backup and automatically restore the backup if the update fails. Administrator username. Keep this as unspecific as possible. Just use whatever that they've got here, and then set yourself a really, really strong password that no one else is ever going to be able to guess in a million years. Put your email there as the administrator email. That'll self-populate from the email that they've got on file. Website title, I'm going to call this Test Save Me Site. And the website tagline, I'm going to say, I want you to be really specific here with both of these, just exactly what you're going to call the website and what the website is all about. A quick one sentence indication of what the site is about. So this is going to be, web development and design. Okay. I don't enable two-factor authentication, but you can do so if you wish. Always click yes for limit login attempts, and don't enable multi-site. That's something far more complex that I'll do in separate lessons. Advanced settings management, automatically manage advanced settings for me, easy. And then you hit the install button. Save the password. If you're using Google Chrome, that will automatically do that for you. That means so you don't have to remember this this very random password. Google Chrome will do it for you. So I'm going to do that. And if we scroll down here a bit, we will find that WordPress is now installing. In fact, it has installed. Click on your URL to see if that has happened. And it has. and it's just populated with a default theme that WordPress uses, which you don't have to use, but we'll talk about in separate lessons. And then click on your WP admin to get into the back end of WordPress and start manipulating everything. But again, we'll go on to that in future lessons. But what you've got currently, you've got a site that everyone in the world can now see. And that's all for this lesson.